friends, welcome to RS online class. I'm your English teacher Rekha Patel. Today I am going to discuss English of Standard 12th Short Note Unit 5 Ants Most IMP for Board Exams. Hi friends, આજે યુનિટ 5ની 12મા ધોરણની શોર્ટ નોટ જોઈએ છે. લેસન છે એન્ટ્સ. ફર્સ્ટ છે ધ ડ્રાઈવર એન્ટ્સ ઓફ આફ્રિકા. બરાબર, મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ટોપિક છે. વિચ આર ધ મોસ્ટ ફિરોશિયસ એન્ટ્સ? તો ધ ડ્રાઈવર એન્ટ્સ ઓફ આફ્રિકા આર ધ મોસ્ટ ફિરોશિયસ એન્ટ્સ, અથવા તો ધ મોસ્ટ ફિરોશિયસ એન્ટ્સ આર ધ ડ્રાઈવર એન્ટ્સ ઓફ આફ્રિકા. સેકન્ડ, why are they called driver ants? So they are called driver ants because they have no fixed homes but are always in move. They are completely blind but they march in long line. They are very strong and they devour any animal that come in their way. Okay. What do they do with animals which pass by their way? So if a python which is unable to move after his dinner comes in their way, these creatures eat both the python and the animal in its stomach. બરાબર, બંનેને ખાઈ જાય છે. બરાબર, એમ પણ કહ્યું છે કે ઇવન લાર્જ એનિમલ્સ લાઇક ટાઈગર્સ એન્ડ એલિફન્ટ્સ live in the fear of them. Next, what do the villagers tell about these ants? Some villagers of Africa tells the stories about babies who have been eaten by these tiny creatures. Next, what do the people do when ants enter in their house? So when the driver ants enter in their house, the people living in it flee or ran away into the forest and stay there until the ants have passed. And last, after coming back to the house, what do they found? So when the people come back, अथवा तो after coming back, the people find that every insect and spider in the house has been cleared away. It's the most amazing study about the ants of different types. Okay. Second short note, the powerful red ants of Europe. એનો પહેલો ક્વેશ્ચન છે, where do we find red ants? તો જવાબ ટાઇટલમાં જ આપેલો છે, we find red ants in Europe. બરાબર. સેકન્ડ, why are they called powerful ants? These are ants that keep other ants as slaves, so they are called powerful ants. Which ants are taken as slave? The black ants are taken as slaves. How do they get black ants as their slaves? So when red ants need slaves, they attack the nest of black ants and abduct some of their eggs. When these eggs hatch in red ants' anthill, the black ants which come out are treated as slaves. બરાબર. પછી છે, how do they treat them? એની સાથે કેવું વર્તન કરે છે? તો from their birth they are taught to obey. They are compelled to drudgery. They have even to carry their masters on their backs. And last, ants have sense of government system. Explain. So ants have even good sense of government system. Right? Okay, so we can say that the ants have super sense of sociality. They have all the qualities like human. So they have been good sense of government system, we can say that. Okay. Next, third, describe ants behavior according to scientist. First question, who was making a study on ants behavior? જવાબ આપેલો છે, the scientists were making a study on ants behavior. Second, which was the arduous work for ants? તો જવાબ છે, number of ants were carrying the small bits of food up to their anthill. This was the arduous work for ants. How did they carry loads? એ લોડ કેવી રીતે લઈ જાય છે? તો the loads they were carrying were very heavy It was like men were carrying a heavy weight and climbing a cliff at the same time. બરાબર. પછી છે what did they do when it was difficult to get foothold? So if there was difficult to get foothold, that time other ants would set themselves in such a way that the ants carrying the loads could easily climb over them. Okay. How many of them reached the top? What do they do then? So only one reached the top. બરાબર. ઘણી બધી ટ્રાય કરે છે. Many of them tried to climb this part but failed. Only one reached the top, but that ant helped others to reach to the top. Next, how do they make a chain? એ કેવી રીતે ચેઇન બનાવે છે? તો એનો જવાબ છે કે they helped each other and helped to climb up the anthill. Okay. Last, with whom are these tiny creatures compared? Why? So these tiny creatures are compared અથવા તો is very close to the human intelligence because these ants do farming, play games, nurse their sick, bury their deads, and share work to each other. No one is allowed to indolent, and that's why they are compared to human beings અથવા human intelligence. Okay. એક એક્સ્ટ્રા આપણે જોઈએ છીએ. A general short note છે ants life. Where did the ants live? So the ants lived in anthill. બરાબર. What is the common food of ants? So some flies and other insects are the common food of ants. Next, what do the ants do in their nest? So the ants were down in the pit where they had killed some flies and other insects for food. The ants began fetching the small bits of these insects up to their anthill, and this was arduous work for them. બરાબર. પછી છે how do the ants serve green flies? So the ants take the green flies to their nest and keep them there. They feed them, protect them from their enemies, and milk them. Okay. Which type of ant is considered to be the powerful ant? So ant from Europe is considered to be the powerful ants. And what do the people do when the army of the driver ants enters a home? When the army of driver ants enters a home, the people flee into the forest. બરાબર. તો આ એની લાસ્ટ શોર્ટ નોટ છે. એક ફાર્મર એન્ટ જે હતી અમ્બ્રેલા એન્ટ એની પણ શોર્ટ નોટ જોઈ લઈએ. એન્ટ્સ ડુ ફાર્મિંગ એક્સપ્લેન. તો વિથ whom are these tiny creatures compared? So these tiny creatures are compared with human intelligence, which was a big leap of human progress. So we all may know that it was a big leap of human progress when man gave up being a full-time hunter and took to farming. The ants of South America are called umbrella ants. Why? So the ants of South America are called umbrella because they are often seen carrying a large piece of leaf over their heads like umbrellas. બરાબર. How do the ants do farming? તો શું લખીશું? The ants take their piece to their anthill where they chew them up nicely. Afterwards they make bed of these chewed up leaves. બરાબર. પછી on these beds grows a kind of fungus which is the food of ants. બરાબર. તો આવી રીતે આપણે આ બધી it is true that the ants do farming in this own way. તો આવું સરસ મજાની કીડીઓ વિશે જોયું. એની આ 4 શોર્ટ નોટ છે જેના વિશે તમને પૂછાય તો તમારે આ રીતે આન્સર લખવાના છે. આ આન્સર્સ વિડીયોમાં તમે જોઈ લીધા છે, પણ એની PDF જોઈતી હોય તો તમારે મારા બ્લોગ ઉપર વિઝિટ કરવાનું રહેશે. ઓકે. તો બીજા કોઈ તમારા પ્રશ્નો હોય બોર્ડ એક્ઝામને લગતા તો તો તમે મને કમેન્ટમાં દર્શાવશો, હું એને ડિસ્કસ કરવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરીશ. બરાબર, ત્યાં સુધી બાય, ટેક કેર એન્ડ થેન્ક યુ.